We're all the party people. It's not the same. Now my expectations for a live chat have been raised to oblivion after yesterday. Lewis saying the insane thing, and I'll never let you live this down. Asking if I ever thought about giving my dog a BBL. That will be clipped. That will be posted. And by God, that will go viral. Okay? I'm setting up everything right here. Flashbang myself with my own ring light. Okay. Got my thing set up over here. Now, we might be lucky today, folks, and we might have a functional camera at the beginning of today's stream. Wouldn't that be a delight? That's what I'm hoping for here. Doing one last thing over here, doing this, doing one last thing over here, making sure I got everything set up, and the stream hasn't died. Whoa. Oh, dogs next door are barking. Okay. So I think everything has been properly set up to the point where I can press this button, and with the power of technology, I can say, and it's still not working. Okay, we tried our best, as per usual. And it's only gonna get better from here, baby. All right, so let's do this, wait, hold up. That's the wrong one. This one? Someday I will learn how to use OBS, and by God, I'll be good at it. Let's see. There we go. Let's do a little bit of zoom in so you guys don't see how much of a disaster my surroundings are. There we go. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is Adam No Entertainment, and welcome to today's stream. Hope you're having a fantastic Friday, morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever and whenever you are. Where was that said? The whenever thing? I feel like that was said before at like a different franchise. Either way, hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to be continuing work on the key game. We actually got pretty far yesterday to the point where I think, unless I was elucidating, which isn't new, unfortunately. My brain don't brain. But we actually got some pretty decent progress yesterday on our level. So unfortunately, there we go. Finally caught up with us, and let's see it. Oh boy, oh golly, oh gee, oh gosh, look at this. We are actually looking at something pretty dang great, at least in my honest opinion. A white endless void, dude, representing the whatever artistic thing I can't come up with. The grids provided beautifully by Kenny. Ambient inclusion, look at them corners. Mwah. And then finally, a player controller with some very, very well made, if I would say so myself, graphics. Look at that. Have you ever seen a higher fidelity microwave, folks? Anyway, we're doing some pretty great stuff today. Either we're going to continue on with today's sprint, which is creating a win-lose menu. Gosh dang it, I was excited up until this point because that means we're doing UI development. Yay! And if you're here during the development of Potato Game, you know that this is arguably one of my least favorite parts of game development. Ironically, it's something I used to do for my job. Or used to do when I was doing my job. Angelo, what is good, my dude? How you doing? Welcome to the chat. So yeah, we're gonna make a lose-win menu, and this forces me to practice modularity in my programming, because we want to make a singular menu that we can easily customize and have a bunch of properties that we can set up. Then whenever it's popped into screen, hey, Sinjin, what's good? How you doing? I saw you on the stream avatars. I usually wait until you guys hop in chat to say things if you guys just want to skulk in there. But how you doing, boys? How you doing? It's great chilling with you guys this morning, talking game stuff and playing Risk of Rain. But yeah, today we're going to just hop straight into it. We're going to create ourselves a lose-win screen. And here's something I actually really like about Godot. It's blah blah blah. What's the word I'm looking for? I need not a canvas. I need me something specific. Panel, there it is. Godot's UI system is actually pretty dang great. It's gonna allow us to do some really easy things and set up a pretty straightforward menu. And the goal here today is to have a menu that we can just easily swap in and out with elements and just like toggle what the what will pop up depending on like the different conditions that happen in here. So I'm gonna call this one level end screen, and then this will contain first off a panel with a interesting, I didn't know, hold up, new canvas material. What's that gonna do? Does this change anything? No, it doesn't. All right, cool. So we're gonna first start off by creating a theme override for our panel, creating a new style box flat, which allows us to just create these empty blank colors here. And then this will be kind of what we'll set up as our level screen, whatever. Then inside this level end screen, we are actually going to give it a label. And we're not gonna give it any labels, just any label, come on. We're better than that. We're gonna give it a rich text label, which is really cool because Godot has a really nice built-in system for using, for making really like fancy animated labels without doing too much stuff. Safe, what's good? Welcome to the stream. How you doing today, dude? Let's see. We're gonna say level end message in all caps to really show that we're serious. Fit content, yeah. Oh wait, if I set the fit content to that, scroll active, scroll following. Ooh. Window scrolls down to display new content automatically. Very cool. Markup, which we can put in right here, and adding effects. Ooh, look at that, look at that. We can add a whole bunch of stuff. I have no idea. Oh god. You cooked like a dungeon crawler theme. No, sorry, Safe, you're banned, dude. I can't add you back to the Discord. Or at least not for a bit. Let's see. We got our level message here. Let's make sure that its layout is set up so it is centered. BB code enabled, so we can actually have like the animated stuff. No, honestly, I mean, you have your DMs open. You could just send it to me. That's cool. Let's see. Display text. Visible character share text section. Terrain. Markup. It just gets your adrenaline running 2D pixels. You know, I bet. Yeah, just send it to me over DM. That's cool. Okay, I can't figure out how to get this aligned, which makes me feel not great. Let's see, auto rep mode, scroll following. All right, we're just gonna change this to a normal level for now. We'll move back. Once we actually like do much better stuff, we'll fix it right there. Yeah, see label settings. This is so much easier here. Center and center for that. And then go in here and we want to increase under theme overrides. We want to increase the font size of this guy to, or we want a base font. We just want to increase the font size to about there. Sweet. Yeah, it does ascend. Like goes hard. How about this safe? Make a if you have like a Google Drive link or something like that, you can send link me that. No, check it out. Titanium level hard. Is titanium? Yeah, okay. Level end message, we're gonna put that there, and then we need a couple more things in here. We're gonna make this a horizontal, we're gonna make an H box organizer so we can see stuff. Gonna anchor this down to the center of the screen, and inside this HBox container we're gonna have it have 2 buttons. This will be restart button, and then we'll have another one called level select. The real goal for this game, I said HBox, I want this to be a V-box actually. The real goal for this game is to have something, or have kind of like a level design toolkit where if I want to continue development on this outside of it, like just kind of playing around with the tools we have access to here, I'll be able to just make a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be able to make as many platformers, or I'm able to, I can't speak today. I'll be able to make a decent amount of platformers out of this and just be like, hey, we have more levels we want to add, or like, what's the one I'm thinking of? Or like, hey, more levels need to be added. And it's like, okay, cool. And we will go about it like so. This calls one next level. It's called level select button, but we'll call it that. And then here, if we go to the HBox container, we want to make sure that we do that. Boom. Let's go to HBox container here, make sure that our layout is correct here. Transform. Which one would it be? Inherited and second from localization team. Oh yeah, I forgot it's not that. These are ones we have to actually mess with. So level, or not level design so much as UI design in Godot is pretty straightforward once you get a good feel for it. And basically what I'm doing here is using nodes and stacking them up and down and around and all other sorts of things to make sure that, let's see, you want to transfer Y height. I can't do that. Layout direction inherited. Minimum size. I think this one I actually want to increase. There we go. And there we go. Cool. We have our buttons, we have our level end message, and then this is a rich text level. This is just called like, let's see. What's one menu, or yeah, screen title. Then let's get another one in case we need it. Move it down, like so. And then make sure this is anchored to the middle top, like so. Oh, there we go. And make sure that's about down there. And it should scale. Links cannot be posted on YouTube. Okay, you know, here at the end of the we'll figure out a way at the end of the stream. If you posted something like a Google Drive or something like that, we'll talk about it. I don't know. Think about posting it on SoundCloud. You can do private stuff on that, and I can listen to it there. Or you can hop on the Twitch side of things and send the link there, because links are available. What's good, Lewis? How you doing, my dude? Welcome to the stream today. Let's see. Score level on screen too soon. Should we save that under scenes? Just call it a new folder. Call this UI or GUI. Call it one screen. Save. Perfect. All right, cool. And then for the score label, we'll leave that as that. Both should be pretty good in terms of like colors and stuff like that. The one thing I want to do is probably just like see if I can set this to be like bolded by default. If not, that's fine. Want to start developing since Wednesday. All I did is research and playing. At least you know how you'll spend the next 3 to 5 years. All right, safe. All right. At the end of the stream, we'll check it out. All right. At least I know how you spend the next 3 to 5 years in what's it called? Hey, at least you got that planning set up. What was it doing? Setting up that, and I wanted to add a script for this guy. Level end screen. GD. So if we go over to our scripts here, level end screen, open that. Boom. I know what you're talking about, Safe. I know how to add people on Discord. Why do I level end message twice? Oh, it's because they are, I just copied one of the labels, but this one should just say score label. This is just to kind of define what things are going to be there. And then we have our panel. Gotta quickly set this to be level end screen. Then directly under that, we are going to set up a func here called set up screen, like so. And then we set it to be a void. And then inside there, we need a couple of arguments. I'm gonna add a little pass here so it doesn't throw us an error. First off, we need to make a... Actually, hold on, there's a couple things I want to set up here. Let's create an @export category. I'll call this one win state. And then under that, we'll also create another export category. Or we'll call this export category menu states. And under that we'll have, let's see, add export. What would it, it's not category, it's something else. Export group, here we go. This one will be the win state. What's really cool about this is now if we go over to our low end screen, we go to the top here and we add stuff. So we have this little win state here. We're going to make an add export their win color or screen color. It's going to be a type color. And see, boom, menu states, win state. We got our screen color. Nice. Then we could have. Alright, that's really it actually. And then we can have another one at export var. Export group. Could have loose state. And with that we could just do the same thing. Or we could say this one's one screen color. Boop. And then right here, it is export var lose screen color. It's the top color. Boom. Now those are both added, and I can add a bunch of different other things too. Like if I want to have specific animations or some kind of shake setup there. What's setup screen do? Oh, is this just telling me it's a function? Cool. So we're gonna also have a boolean here. We're gonna have a argument called has lost, and it is of type bool. And then inside here, we're gonna say if has lost is equal to true. Then what we want to do is we want to, oh yeah, here's the other thing I want to do actually. At export var win screen message. It's gonna be of type string. And we do the same thing down here. And then it's not gonna compile because, yep, there we go. And let's get a couple more things in here. Like, let's see it. Okay, no, so close. Just type label. And then same thing for here. Square label is also typed label as well. Then below that, what we want to do is we want to say if has lost is equal to true when the player sets that up. We want to set windscreen. Let's make it has one actually as our argument here. So if has one is equal to true, then we want to set screen title equal to windscreen message. Then this is on a type panel. What's wrong with you? Oh, screen title dot text is equal to that. Score label dot visible is equal to true because we don't want it to be visible if the player has lost. And then what we want to do is we want to say, let's see, what's the thing on the panel to access its specific color? So what I could do is I could just modulate it, but since we have a theme override, I do want to like just say if we have a specific theme. Let's see if we can just mess with this theme. Add theme color override. Let's try that out. String name color. Theme overrides panel color. So I go here. Do I have to do this? So if I do this like this right here, right? I think this is the path. Let's see, string name. And then color will be set to one color. And then on our else statement here, we want to do, oh yeah, and we want to set visible is equal to true. Then instead we want to set screen underscore title dot text is equal to loose screen, is equal to loose screen message. Score label dot visible is equal to false. And then add theme color override. Hopefully this works. And we have blue screen color. Rad. Alright, let's see. You killed your soccer training? That's what's up. If you want to join the league, you should definitely do that, man. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have the setup screen good to go. By default, it's that, and setup screen, we won't call that. So let's go over to our main, because that actually is what contains the loose screen. Oh, crap. And I should have a function for everything that contains that right there. Sweet. Let's put the, let's see, let's put a canvas layer on there. Boom. Oh, sweet. I didn't know you could just push enter to auto favorite that. Okay, let me turn this renames to global GUI. Then what we're gonna do is kick it the ball. Let's see. Like it's a good passing monster on the field. That's cool, man. I'm happy to hear that. Let's see. over to scenes, GUI, level end screen. Put that under the global GUI canvas layer so that always renders to the top. Cool, have that closed by default. We got a win and lose states, so... Oh, actually, no, we want this per level, not per... we don't want that per main. The sub before the level, that's funny. Let's call this, let's add a canvas layer here. Call this one level, let's see, end screen. Drag in the level end screen as our thing there. Make sure it's hidden by default. Should render on top, which is good. Sweet, and now all we have are the buttons left, and the buttons will just both do the same thing for now since they don't really have anything different. Let's see. My guess, Guy by Club. I think you might be a little young to be joining a full-scale soccer league club, but it sounds like you have the skill to work up to that when you're older. Let's keep at it, dude. Let's see, what else we got here? We just need to have the buttons actually hooked up properly to the screen, so let's do that. So let's get button pressed. Make sure button press, connect. This is on restart, and then what we want for the other one is we want the level select button pressed as well. Have that hooked up there. And we'll just say like, hey, print, restart, and print level select. And let's add a to-do to both of these. To-do, send signal to restart the current level scene. Let's see, to-do, add in, transition to level select when more levels are added. Okay, cool. So we got that going on. Well, yeah, no, if that's what you want to do, Save, that's pretty huge. Okay, so we got that. So we'll add the signal to that to the very end, but for now, all we need to do is just make sure that the apartment level knows what's up when that runs. It's gonna have an add-on ready. Where end screen is going to be a level end screen is equal to, let's make sure we can access this as a unique name so we don't have to do the whole node path. Plop that in there. So if player has key false, when the force level timer stops, instead we want to call end screen dot setup screen has one is equal to, let's say, actually before that, what we have to do is run this. We don't need this anymore right now. We just need to have, actually, let me do this first before I even delete code, just in case. So we're gonna put end screen dot setup screen, and we're gonna say has key. Player's key. There we go. And this is on timer stop. So let's see. Do I have an on timeout set up? Begin countdown. Fourth level end is called anyway. Alright, cool. So setup screen will be like that. So if we have it, theoretically this should work. Alright, as long as it's PG-13, you can say your funny thing, Sif. If I don't find my keys, I'm cooked. What's the code? Okay, 6789. Okay. Some things to fix here. For one, I didn't set up my code screen properly. And the other thing too, I just realized that I don't think I have the path correct for this right here. Let's see, node. Oh, signals groups. History inspector. I don't know why it keeps doing this. This is the way it should be by default. River panel. Okay, add theme color override. Is this gonna know? Let's see. Oh, do I not need to do the whole thing? Does it just need to be a BG color? Create a local override for the theme color with a specified name. Local overrides overtake precedence. Also get theme color, for example, overriding a label's color. Go font color. So this is technically, what is this? Theme override styles panel. Could I just do BG color then? Cause okay, maybe I should look at that, right? Copy the property path, go over to the level end screen here. Just paste that in here. That just gives me BG color. Okay, well, we're gonna see if this is even. Let's see if this even works here. Okay, it doesn't even work. Okay. Okay, well, you know what? We're gonna kind of hack this together then. If we set this to just like straight up pure white, what we can do is we can just modulate it using the visibility here. And we can set this to whatever color we need it to be. Like that. Don't know why screen title is. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's had to be something different. That's kind of whack. So taps up. Okay, let's go here. Oh, self-modulate, not full modulate. Maybe that's what we need to do. Yeah, we just need to do the self-modulate. What's it called? Property. Okay, so self-modulate. We need to. Can I just call that straight up in the script then? There, self-modulate. I'm sorry, I thought that would work here. Set self-modulate as value. So do I set self-modulate equal to whatever the color it is? So if I go here and I set self-modulate is equal to windscreen color. Cool, and we just do the same thing here. There we go. There we go. Let's try this out. Oh yeah, and yeah. Let's just make let's see, input mouse mode. Oh, here. Should be up here. Set up per button press should be input mouse mode is equal to input mouse mode visible. There we go. Okay, that should fix it. That. Then let's fix this up right here. Cool. So now we have a way to actually quit the game, which is good. Now if we go over to the apartment level here, and then we set our level end screen properties up correctly. Set windscreen color is equal to some kind of green. It's greenish. We'll add it to the swatch. And we'll set the loose screen color equal to some kind of like red. I know why I like kind of going with like a pastel colors. It's like kind of a little easier on the eyes. Like that. Add it over to the swatch. Let's see, one screen. The dentist. Oh wait, because I think that's what we decided for the first one forever. Tooth decay. Frowny face. Alright. Wee. You got the key. Cool. And then we can just wait here. Gives us time to look at chat. Oh man, what? Oh yeah, yesterday what Vacu said about the body horror thing. Yeah, that's a permanent thing. That's gonna be a permanent part of I don't know history here. Just wild nonsense. Love waiting a full 60 seconds for a lost level. It's great. Oh, cool. Ah, yes, I'm misspelled visible. Wonderful. All right, do that. Apartment level under level time also to 30 seconds. Let's just set it to 3 for now, just for testing purposes. Hey, that didn't work. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, we gotta lose one little screen done. We have to add in the proper things, but for now, let's finish it up by adding those signals on top of it. We went from needing this. Nice, dude. Let's see. Just make sure you're staying hydrated while you do that as well. Okay, let's just set up our signals here to just make sure the level restarts. So I think I can do this pretty straightforward. I want to handle that maybe in main. Yeah, let's just call main GD. I'm gonna save it under scripts here. Boop, boop. Cool. And then we're going to create let's see. Let's create a var called current level. And we're gonna make this an already var since we only have one thing. So type node 30 is equal to the apartment level. So hack. This will be assigned whenever a level be hard coded when the game is complete. Should be assigned dynamically. Cool. Let's go to level handler. That's chill. Level end screen. We don't need this anymore. Main GD. Need to look at that quick controller. Don't need to look at that. Nope. Level handler. We'll keep that open for now. Signal bus. We need that open. Canvas item. We don't need the other docs set up. So viewport. Cool. Common rest, don't need you either, but what we do need to do is whenever the player clicks something, it'll talk to the signal bus. And did I just close that? I did. All right, it should be inside the level handler anyway, or at least a reference to it. There we go. Signal bus. What? Okay. Let's create another signal called reload current level. And let's see. Called when player clicks the restart button on the level end screen. Then let's go over to the level end screen here. Nope. Okay, I close it. Rad. GUI level end screen. Boop. Cool. Now I thought we just here. Cool. Let's set that up. So we click on restart. Then we'll say signal bus dot emit. Oh no, signal bus restart. What did I call it? What did I literally just call it? Reload current level. Dot emit. Then we need to go over to our main function here, and then we need to go here to func ready. Then we're gonna say create a function called on reload level current level. It's gonna be that. So that. Turns of void as pass for now. What's wrong with you here? Unaccepted indent blocks. Oh. Let's see. Signal bus. Bus dot connect. Signal bus dot reload current level dot connect to this guy right here. I'm gonna say if active, it is instance valid, active level. Then active level dot. Can I just get reload? Ooh. Is there a way to restart a scene? See if there's a way to do that on a node actually. Gizmos. Signals. Alright, properties. No. Let's see if there's just straight up on the node we can call something like that. I think, let's see. You sing a string, tell me why is probably the first major event I know in history. It could be. I think actually the first major event I know in history was when Godot followed us. That was crazy. But that's definitely one of them. It's up there. We're not even gonna put those next to each. I mean, I'm not even gonna. I'm upset. I'm losing my mind right now. I'm really tired. Let's see, exit tree. Assuming there's a way to just like straight up reload node. These are signals, okay, we don't want to get the signals. Let's see if there's a way to just straight up do it, because I feel like there would be. Reload node Godot. Okay, how do I reload a specific scene? Spawn enemy. Reload node, let me check about 3 seconds. Reload should be called every time, stored in a script that's always loaded like a game's controller on top of the node. Okay. Maybe that's what we should do. I was wondering about that. The whole scene can return for parent from being reloaded, reattach it to the mode. Okay, I guess that's what we'll do now. Yep. Yeah, good to follow this. It was a really, really cool day. It was a cool moment. Okay, cool. I guess we'll just set that up in our main so we just have a reference to the level. Packed apartment. Underscore scene, so pack scene. Is equal to nothing. Because what we want to do here is what's wrong. Oh, there you go. Let's just get the level set up. Not you. Apartment level. Yep. There we go. So if instance is valid, then what we want to do is, excuse me. We want to say new level is equal to apartment level scene.instantiate. Very new level. Is equal to that. I don't think we have to typecast it. Then we'll set active level to, let's see. Like queue free. Then we'll set add child. Oh, so yeah, add child, active level. Oh wait, add child, new level. Then set active level equal to New level. Okay. I'm hoping this works. And doesn't, you know, blow up everything at the same time. That'd be nice. Level and screen, cool. Alright, cool. I think we got everything set up, right? We got the signal set up, we have the signal connected, we have everything good there. Alright, let's try this out. I feel like you're way less famous than I should be. Oh crap. You're sweet, man. I appreciate that. Okay, cool. We're good though. Did we start off by falling? We did. I wonder if we're holding forward while we restart. Okay, no. Cool, that works. Awesome, we have a little level restart set up, and that was actually really straightforward. Okay, let's go to GitHub. Set added level and screen. I'm actually gonna put this in the main branch. I don't know, is there anything in history? Where's this committed to? This was yesterday, so I already probably merged that, so I think I can bring all the prod. We'll just keep it in the main for now. Or keep it in progress for now until we actually add stuff we need. Player. Let's see, added customizable level and screen. And let's see. Added functionality to restart level. Cool. That's all set up and good. You want to say I'm absolutely jacked? I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, okay, let's see. I think that was it for the other display menu. Oh. Play again and quit buttons. Time taken to score for a win screen. Okay, cool. So I think what we need to do is, for that to work, we need to add something to the level end screen to when, here it has one tool. Time taken. That's gonna be, what is it, an int? Yeah, the default's equal to 0. And then what we want to do is whenever we emit this on the level handler, which is done here, force level and the level screen, thank you. And then what we want to do is we want to take the time, what is it, time remaining or minus time left. So we'll have level time, what's that, it's like a flow or set an int by default. What time's that float? Should be an int actually, I think. We do level time minus level timer dot time left, because I think that will do it for that. I hope this doesn't throw us any weird errors. Hopefully it doesn't. So this way, if we actually finish the level. No, I actually could have done it if I didn't just hold W. Then I'm gonna restart level. I should make it so maybe we'll make it so you have to actually physically click a number button versus anything inside us connected to the Illuminati. Of course, man, it's Disney. Disney is, actually no. It's kind of weird that Elon Musk buy 2 Disneys with his own net worth. Wow, okay, sorry, I just kind of blanked out there. You forgot to verify your email address? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, you gotta fix that up. We might end today's stream a little bit earlier today, guys. I'm not feeling too great. And don't worry, Safe, I'll add you so you can send me your song. I'll give you proper criticism about that, or I'll just react to it. What was I doing? Wow. I just completely lost it. Oh, I was gonna set the level timer so I could actually, you know, successfully complete my level here and test out the time taken. Oh crap. Okay, so let's just say that took me 7 seconds. Okay, didn't do that. Oh, probably because I didn't set that up, huh? See, time taken, score level text, visible true, what's that? Score label, dot text equal to, screen message, let's make this, right there, score message, format, type string, is equal to, by default, let's say, time taken. So percent d times equal to score message format percent time taken. There we go. Okay. Time taken 30 seconds. That's not right. Let's just say it took me like 6 seconds. Oh, I know what it is now. Wait, did I say level time minus? Should be level time minus level timer that time left, yeah. Okay. Oh, I know what it is now. Whoop. Let's see. Score time. There we go. See, this is how you guys can tell how tired I am right now. It's the fact that like I just remembered I could have done that real quick versus vastly overthinking it. There you go. Time taken 6. Sweet. All right, let's add that in. Let's see. Where's my GitHub? Okay. Yeah, I think that completes. That almost completes the sprint. That does complete this task. Time taken show score for one screen. Done. Okay, that's actually done. So the next thing to do is doing some art stuff. Yeah, cool. Then we'll do that. And they serve the devil. Okay, we'll talk about that. But yeah, sorry y'all. I know it's a short stream today. I'm not really feeling too hot. But yeah. Thanks to everyone who joined today. So Safe, Angelo, and Safe, Angelo and Sinjin in the YouTube chat. Thanks, y'all. Appreciate you guys. And Lewis Does Games for hopping in the Twitch, keeping it alive. Yeah, no, take it easy, Lewis. If I'm feeling better later, I'll hook you up so we can talk about Generation if you still want to. You think I'll read the theory later, dude, don't worry. Yeah, alright. I think that's gonna do it for today, guys. I'll catch you next one. Have a good weekend. Peace.